Hello everyone. Today I'm here to tell you about my new 5x5 LED matrix. Here this 5x5 LED matrix is just controlled via just 10 pins. You could see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here you could see two wires overlapping. And here we could enter whatever we need to display. Till now I have just only alphabets, but in future I'll be upgrading it to like all letters and symbol in a standard desktop keyboard. Here I enter this. Now when I press enter here, you could see here. Here you couldn't see it better because exposure was much high, and that was the reason. I will be linking this clip, the exposure less clip, which will be coming after this. Okay, now let's move on to the coding part. You could see here I have declared some variables. The R1 stands for the row 1, and column C5 stands for the column 5, and others respectively. Here T stands for the amount of time in which the light will be staying there after. It is the delay time basically. I have given it to be 2 and it is just 2 milliseconds, and you'll see why I have given just 2 milliseconds in the explanation of the given code below. And I am linking this code to my GitHub account, which will be in the video description. And here guys, I'll be linking even the schematics for the LED matrix in the description below. Okay, now let's start up the coding part. Here we are setting up all those pin mode R1, R2, R3, and similarly for C1, C2. Then we are beginning the serial monitor. There serial.begin 9600 there. Then we are printing and please enter a lowercase letter, and now the function start. Guys, here I have written a function on R, which means it will turn the row to be high, and here on C, this is what does like a digital pin low, which is on again because LED needs to be connected to a positive and a negative. So here basically what we do is, here wait a minute, I think you could see here we have linked all those rows in parallel, like all rows. For example, this rows, this row, this is a separate row, this is a separate row, and each row is linked with a wire. Here you could see it, and each of every column, for example, let us take this to be a column, this one, this one, this one, and this one. These are all columns which are linked. Here what I have done is I have linked all those columns with the negative of the LED pin to be in parallel. That is one, this is just one column, and all the LEDs here have the negative pin connected in parallel. Okay, and here. Similarly for the row, this is the row, and you could see here all those pins, just one side, not the other, are connected. That is, only the positive pin is connected here. You could see it in parallel. So this is how we are going to operate it. For example, if you just need A to be operated, it should be displayed, then what you should do is turn on this one, this one, this one, this one, go here, 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 then turn on this LED, this one, and finally this one. After that, turn off everything, then you are going to display this small line here. So it is A, it comes like this, and here, so it is A, and that's how we are going to do the program. Based on this logic, we are going to write the entire program. And here is the program part. And on C and off R, here's where we left it. Off R means it will write low to the pin R, and off C will write high to the pin C. What we are doing here in off R and off C is we are giving the reverse polarity. When we use off R and off C together, we are giving the reverse polarity to the LED, in which the case the LED won't turn on here, because LED is a diode. So it's simple. And here I am writing the function of all here, this one, and here what I'm doing is I'm turning off all the rows and all the C's so that no LED in the screen will be lit. Okay guys, then here I have wrote a program function for A, which is little big. Let's go to some smaller one. Okay, here B is bit smaller. Let's see what we are doing here. Here in the place of on R1, here we are turning on the row R1, here turning on the row R3, here turning on the row R5, because in B, if you see, it will be like, wait a minute, okay guys, here what we need to do is we are first turning on this row here. This is the row 1. Okay guys, for this is the row 1, this is row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, and the column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. Okay guys, and what we are doing is we are turning on this one, this row, and this last one, that is 1, 3 and 5. We are turning on these 3 rows. Then we are turning on this column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. Then you could see this line, this line, and this line. And when we draw a line like this also, we can see that it will intersect at this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, this one, this one, this one, here, 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 and here. Okay, that is nothing but 1 comma 1, then 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, then 3 comma 1, here this is 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 4, then 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4. All these points will be intersecting, so only these points will be lit and others will not be lit here. Then what we are doing is we are turning off this all thing. Okay, and we have the function here where we give opposite polarity. For example, for row 1, when it is like turned off, we instead of positive polarity, we are giving it negative polarity to that row. So we, as we know, the LEDs are polarized, and only we can turn it on with just one positive, one negative. We can't do it like flip the pins around and turn on. So that's what we are doing here. Okay guys, and this turn off function will turn off all the LEDs here. Okay, so none of the LEDs will be lit now. Then what we are doing, we are giving a small delay function, okay, like some 5 milliseconds or 10 milliseconds. After that, what we are doing is we are turning on this row 2 and row 4. Okay guys, then we are turning on this column 1 and this column 5. Okay guys, this column 1, this column 5, and we are turning on this row 2 and this row 5. Then what happens is, when we draw some lines like this, we can see this one, this one, and this one, and this one are intersecting points. So only these 4 LEDs will be glowing now. Okay guys, now when we connect all these points together, we could get an idea like it is looking like a B. Okay, and what we have done till now is just for one letter. We need to write like this for every letter, and don't worry guys, I have given a link to the entire code in my video description to my GitHub page. Okay guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you want for explanation for each and every letter alphabet in the English letters, you could leave a comment below and I'll be doing a next video about it. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel.